A lot of people are trying to, what? Rest during bank holiday, meaning to say, wag na kayo mag-trade. Hayaan nyo yung market kasi wala ang ipapakita sa inyo magandang bagay yan. Okay? Okay, let me show you something. Okay. There you go. Let's go to the silver bullet, no? So, para na lang din sa mga bago, no? Sa mga wala pang idea paano yung silver bullet na yan. Ano yung pinagsasabi natin sa silver bullet? So, 5 handles is equivalent to 10 tips in Forex. Silver bullet will always give you 5 handles, high chance of profit. Body tells a story, the wicks do the damage, or vice versa. The wicks do the damage, the body tells the story. Okay? So, ito yung market conditional. Basahin niyo to, ha? Basahin nyo maigi. Again, hindi po sa akin galing to. Kay ICT po ito galing. During the market of London to New York session, you need to see a breaking on support and resistance level and wait for an opening and look for a fair value gap, then trade the first touch of the fair value gap and target the opposing liquidity above or below. Okay? Also, you can wait for the price run into a liquidity above or below. You don't need a bias to trade silver bullet. Hindi nyo daw po kailangan ng bias. Keep that in mind. You want to see an obvious run into a liquidity. Kailangan nyo makakita ng obvious run into a liquidity. Also, you want to see an opposing liquidity pool and wait for it to move sharply into that direction. Once it does that, once na ginawa niya yon, any fair value gap na makita mo, you trade that. Sir Kim, English, di ko naintindihan. Ha? Sir Kim, English di ko naintindihan. Hirap. Opposing liquidity. Ano ibig sabihin ng opposing liquidity? Ano ibig sabihin ng obvious run into a liquidity? You want to see the 15 minutes, yung pinagawa ko sa inyo kanina. Ito yon. Ito yon. Okay? Ano sabi doon? Sabi ni ICT, you want to see an obvious run into that liquidity above or below. It depends. So, possible nandito sa taas or possible sa baba. Now, for the sake of example, sabihin na natin ito. That's an obvious run. Sir Kim, pag ba tinap yan, obvious run na ba yan? No. Ano ba yung obvious? Sige nga, define obvious. Ito yung liquidity. Paano yung obvious na kinuha yung liquidity? Paano nyo i-interpret, paano nyo i-visual aid sa akin or sa ibang tao yung obvious run na kinuha niya to? Eh di ganito. Di ba? Obvious na kinuha lang to, tas bumaba na yung price. That's the narrative. That's the narrative of it. Some of the people narinig lang yung silver bullet per value gap 10 to 11 trade. Without knowing the narrative, the whole concept behind it. Again, you want to see an obvious run into liquidity first. Now, let's say for example, ito kinuha nung 10 o'clock. Now, obvious run nga So, meaning, kailangan niya bumalik. Run nga takbo nga Ikaw ba pag inis na chan ka, maglalakad yun? Siyempre, tatakbo yun. Yeah? Kapag inis na chan ka ba ng bag, ano yung maglalakad, luluhod? Siyempre, tatakbo yun. Di ba? So, ganun din dito sa trading. So, kung obvious na kinuha to, siyempre, tatakbo yan. Now, gusto nyo lang makita dito is take, then pull back. Now, ano yung English na nakalagay doon? Once na ginawa niya yon in Tagalog, once it does that, or in English pala yun, sorry, in Tagalog, once na ginawa niya yon, target the opposing liquidity. Opposing. Tagalog, kabaliktaran. So, kung nasa taas tayo, anong kabaliktaran ng taas? Siyempre, baba. You look for what? Liquidity below. Nasaan ang liquidity? Sabihin na natin ito. Now, sabi dito, wait daw natin mag-obvious run. Then, once it does that, you wait for a fair value gap and target the opposing liquidity fucking T. Trade any fair value gap, you can stop loss above here, short that one, target the low hanging fruit, or your sell side liquidity. Opposing liquidity nga di ito, kabaliktaran di ba? Obvious. There you go. Okay ba? Malinaw ba? Yun. That's the first narrative ng silver bullet. Marami pang iba. Tingnan nyo, simpleng silver bullet. Pero ang tingin ng ibang tao, 10 to 11 daw ang silver bullet, which is totoo. Which is totoo. Now, let me show you something.
Okay, so what you don't understand is this is a silver bullet because it's using a fair value gap, even though the fair value gap is outside and before 10 o'clock. And this is part of the rules. Go back and listen to the recording. The fair value gap does not need to be inside of 10 to 11. The setup is a retracement into a fair value gap between 10 and 11. So, seeing that is the case, and we're seeing it rally up. If you didn't take this one in here, you could use this one, and it found its opportunity to drop down into consequent encouragement, which is the midpoint of that gap here, with the expectation that we would see it at least run back to the previous day's settlement.
Gets nyo ba? So meaning, hindi 10 to 9, 10 to 11. Oo nga, 10 to 11 yung silver bullet, pero ang logic or ang narrative behind that is dapat mag-retrace siya between 10 to 11. So you have 1 hour para mag-retrace siya dun sa na-create na fair value gap. It doesn't matter kung alas 7 pa yan. Basta bumalik siya dyan ng 10 to 11 dun sa fair value gap na na-create ng alas 7, then still it's a silver bullet. Okay? There you have it. There you go. That's for free. Okay? Actually, madami pa ako niyan. Diba? So, kung gusto niyo naman malaman, Sir Kim, isa lang ba ang silver bullet? 10 to 11 lang ba? Hindi po, marami.
I gave you a silver bullet model between 10 o'clock in the morning and 11 o'clock in the morning New York local time. That makes it so easy. So easy. You know when you're going to be trading. Before that, you didn't know what the hell you were doing. When does this stuff form? I don't know. I said he's got a million videos. What are we supposed to do all that stuff? I don't know. It's too complicated. Let's go get me a moving average crossover and stochastics. That's a cop-out. I mean, I literally made it really easy for you. You have a silver bullet at 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock. You have a silver bullet at 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock, New York local time. You have one at 3 o'clock in the morning to 4 o'clock in the morning, London session. If you really, really want it, you can do 7 o'clock in the morning to 8:30. Yep. Just love tucking them in there real deep in the videos. Guys don't want to stick around for it. They never get that stuff. Right.
Diba? So, madami pa niyan. So, pero all you need to do is to find that narrative. Kung meron kayong naiisip na strategy na gusto nyong i-trade for one good setup or for setup for life ninyo, then hanapin nyo yung buong narrative behind it.